guys, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to talk about Kubernetes image pool secret, right? What is Kubernetes pool image pool secret? Now, as a human being, if I want to create, for example, a container, I will need, if the image is not public, I will need some credential to pull the image before I can use it. For example, when you do Docker pull, if the image is public, yes, you'll be able to put it. But if the image is private, you will be able to, you will need the credential. You will need to log into the registry before you can do that. Meaning that you will need to be owner of the image before you use that. So like private image, you cannot pull images from private registry, for example, right? If you are not a user on that registry, you will not be able to pull. If you're not the user in that repository, I mean, you will not be able to pull images from that. So same thing applies to Kubernetes, right? If you let's say you work in a company and you guys have a private, your account on Docker Hub is actually private, or you have ECR, or maybe you have Nexus. Of course, those are not private. You will need credential to be able to pull. The same thing that you will be logging to the CLI before you can do Docker pull. Kubernetes will need that, but Kubernetes don't need to type, for example, Docker logging or not, but Kubernetes use secret instead. So what Kubernetes does is that you are going to supply the credential to Kubernetes, and Kubernetes will create a secret based on that, and that secret will be used. Now, to do that first, you need to create a secret, right? You can run this command, for example, to create a secret. Like this is, for example, for Docker. Say Docker create secret, the name of the secret here. If I have a Docker server, you give the Docker registry server. For example, if you are using Docker Hub, you don't need to specify this. Now the username and the password, right? You give the username and the password, and Kubernetes will create a secret, right? And you can also, instead of running command, you can use a YAML file, right? You create a secret, but you need to reference that secret. Look at here, image pool secret. You need to reference that secret. And if you have multiple registry, you can reference multiple secrets. So you need to reference this secret for Kubernetes to go ahead and pull the image. So when Kubernetes pull the image, Kubernetes is going to present the credential so that the registry will open the door for him to pull the images, for example. So that's what we call image pool secret, right? Kubernetes image pool secret is a way to pass credential to Kubernetes to access private container registry, which is what I was saying, right? And the same way as you need a username, the password, Kubernetes will need that. You can also use a token, right? If you have, like, most of the people don't want to use username and password, they rather use, for example, the token instead. So some people like to run command, and some of them like to create a YAML file before they get that done. I hope you like this video. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.